Hey everyone, this is Narin and welcome back to a new session of English with me. This is the 13th episode of How to Start Learning English. And I hope you all have watched the other videos in an order so that you can actually improve your English. From beginner, we are moving to the advanced level. Today, we will look at conjunctions. What are conjunctions in English? You know what are junctions? Junctions are places where something is joined together, junction. So, conjunction in English means something that joins. Those are the joining words. Now, there are three types of conjunctions: coordinating, subordinating, and correlative. Since we are beginners, we will just learn about the coordinating conjunctions. For beginners, it is essential to focus only on these conjunctions. They are the commonly used ones and they provide a straightforward way to connect words and phrases. So let's look at some conjunctions and how are they used in sentences. Which are the coordinating conjunctions? To know them, we will learn a single word. The word is FANBOYS. 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 This is the short form. Now we will elaborate it. So how can we elaborate it? What are the coordinating conjunctions? The first letter, F. FANBOYS, F. F stands for A, and, N, nor, B, but, O, or, Y, yet, S, so. FANBOYS. See how we made it short so that it will be easy for you to remember. Now, what are these conjunctions doing in each sentence? Let's find out. The first one, F, for. For indicates a cause or reason. It explains why something is happening. Let's look at some examples, then it will be more easy for you. I need to study for the exams tomorrow. Here I'm telling I need to study. And why did I say that? Because I have exams tomorrow. It shows a cause or reason why I'm studying. I will have a salad for lunch, for I'm trying to eat healthier. So, you are eating just a salad because you are trying to eat healthier. That is the cause or the reason. Since you are trying to eat healthier, you are only having salad. The next one, and. It connects similar elements. It indicates an addition or similarity. For example, I like coffee and tea. I like both of them. I like coffee as well as tea. So, I like coffee and tea. I enjoy both watching movies and reading books. And watching movies and reading books. I enjoy both of them. I like both of them. So, and is used to connect similar elements, something that is similar. Two things similar is connected with and. Nor. Nor indicates negative choices or alternatives. It connects two negative alternates indicating both are not true. I know it is a bit confusing. Let's look at an example. She neither likes coffee nor tea. It means she doesn't like coffee and she doesn't like tea. So we just connected it. She neither likes coffee nor tea. She is neither good at dancing nor singing. That means she is not good in both of them. She is not good in dancing and singing. So we connected it. She is neither good at dancing nor singing. He neither confirmed nor denied the accusation. So nor connects negative alternatives or negative choices, but Both the choices are not true. Both the choices are not their likes. The next one is but. But introduces a conflict. A contrast between ideas. A contrast or opposition. Something, that contradicts your ideas. She likes chocolates, but she doesn't like vanilla. So here we are telling that she likes chocolates, but not vanilla. There is a kind of conflict there. She likes chocolate, but not vanilla. I want to go out, but it's raining. Since it's raining, I cannot go out. So I want to go. I actually wanted to go outside, but it's raining. There is a conflict. Why I'm not going? Or, or. It presents an alternate or choice. This is very simple. Would you like tea or coffee? Which one do you want? Either tea or coffee. Which one? Do you prefer pizza or pasta for dinner? See, it's asking pizza or pasta. Which is your favorite? Do you like reading books or listening to music? There are two choices or alternatives. The next one is yet. It is similar to but. It also shows contrast. Yet introduces a contrasting idea or an unexpected result. She worked hard, yet she didn't succeed. She worked hard. She was really hardworking, yet she didn't succeed. It's like, okay, still she didn't succeed. It's telling like still she couldn't make it. It's a challenging task, yet I'm determined to complete it. Even though it is challenging, I'm determined to do it. I don't care what it is. So here there is a contrasting idea in the sentence. So yet shows contrast. So. I always use so in a lot of my sentences. It shows a result, consequence or purpose. It's getting late, so we should leave now. There is a result. It's getting late, so we should leave now. I exercised today, so I feel more energetic. Since I exercised, I feel really energetic today. So there is a consequence. Since I exercised, there is a consequence. I'm energetic today. So is used for giving any purpose or result or consequence. Wasn't this really short and easy? This is all about conjunctions. You just need to know only this to speak English fluently. Actually, you don't need all of this. You can speak English without fearing of your grammars or anything, but you need to improve day by day, right? Till now, we have spoken English without any grammar or anything. Now we need to add grammar into it. So we are learning this bit by bit, little by little. Now to remember these conjunctions, what you have to do is you should create sentence from your daily life. In all my videos, I have talked about the same thing. You should create sentence that you use in your daily life. Something that is related to your daily routine so that you won't forget it. This will stay in your mind more easily. So guys, this is all about the conjunctions fanboys, and don't forget that term fanboys. Now before winding up, let's look at a paragraph that use different conjunctions in it. You are the one who need to find out which conjunctions suits each blank. So comment it down, okay? I wanted to have a picnic. Dash, I brought sandwiches. Dash, fruits. A friend joined me. Suddenly, it started raining. Dash, we found a nearby shop for shelter. We laughed about the unexpected weather. Dash, it made the day more memorable. Now you know what you have to do, right? Comment down the answer for this. So guys, this is all for today. I hope this video was helpful. I'll be back with a new video soon. Thank you for being a part of this journey. Bye.